If you want to improve your emails with better grammar, spelling, and tone, Grammarly is one of the easiest tools to add to your browser. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add Grammarly to email, set it up correctly, and use it while writing messages so you can compose cleaner, more professional emails in just a few clicks. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store or the extension store for the browser you use most. If you're on Chrome, you'll use the Chrome Web Store. If you're on Edge, Safari, or Firefox, just open the extension store for that browser instead. Once you're there, click in the search bar and type Grammarly. From the search results, choose Grammarly, AI Writing Assistant. Make sure you select the official extension so you know you're installing the right one. Next, click the Add to Chrome button or the equivalent button for your browser. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. This is completely normal. Click the extension to finish the download and let your browser install Grammarly. After a few seconds, the extension should be added successfully. Now that Grammarly is installed, the next step is to set up your account. In the top right area of your browser, look for the Grammarly icon in the toolbar. Click it and then sign in with whichever account you want to use. You can log in with your email address, Google account, Apple account, or Facebook account. Once you're signed in, Grammarly will sync your settings and start helping you across supported websites. To make sure Grammarly is easy to access, it's a good idea to pin the extension to your browser toolbar. Click the puzzle piece icon in the toolbar to open your extensions list. Find Grammarly in the list, then click the pin icon next to it. This keeps the Grammarly widget visible at the top of your browser so you can turn it on quickly whenever you need it. Now let's use it inside your email. Open your preferred webmail service, such as Gmail or any other browser-based email platform. Go to mail.google.com if you're using Gmail. Once your inbox loads, click Compose or New Mail to start a new message. As soon as the email editor opens, you should see the Grammarly G widget appear in the bottom right corner of the text area. Start typing your email as usual. Grammarly will automatically underline grammar, spelling, and clarity issues as you write. When you see an underlined word or sentence, click on it to view Grammarly's suggestion. You can also click the floating widget to see more detailed corrections and recommendations. From there, accept the changes you want or ignore the ones that don't fit your message. This is a fast way to polish your writing before you hit send. One of the best features you can use is Grammarly's AI help. If your account includes it, you may also see the Superhuman Go sidebar with a sparkling chat bubble. This can help you generate a draft, summarize a long email thread, or adjust the tone of your reply. So if you need to sound more formal, more friendly, or just get started faster, this tool can really save time. And that's it. You've now learned how to add Grammarly to email, pin it to your browser, sign in, and use it to improve your messages while you write. This simple setup can make a big difference in how professional and clear your emails look. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides, and leave a comment if you want to see more browser extension tutorials next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.